Alright guys, good morning. I want to show you guys my outfit of the day. It is a pink pleated pair of pants from City Trend, as well as a pink t-shirt and a black crop sweater from oh my goodness, from I don't remember, but and my little black white and gold dress shoes. And then I just want to get a video of my chair I put together and show you guys how it looks. It looks so cute. Wet, so I couldn't come and show you guys. And $50. A pack of bacon and a pack of are gorgeous. They are from the front porch. Alright, good morning y'all. It is Wednesday morning. It is 7 o'clock and I am up early before I go to work. I am about to put my chairs and stools together to get ready for my porch. My porch makeover, so let's get started. Alright guys. So this is my 2 chairs and my footstools, guys. So cute. And then I put my table together. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my umbrella to come and my rug, and I think maybe by this weekend we can start doing oh, I freaking love it, guys. Look. And then I'm gonna have it. Let me show you how I'm gonna sit it. Hold on one second. Okay, guys, this is how I want it to sit. Outside, I'm gonna put the other footstool. It's gonna be sitting on my rug up under my umbrella. It's gonna be surrounded by flowers. And yeah, I freaking love it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you probably, what's today, Wednesday? I don't think I'm doing nothing. If the weather permits, I'll do some more yard work. But other than that, I will see you guys probably Friday or Saturday when my umbrella and rug come. And then we can do the porch. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. And thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.